Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix ChatGPT errors 502 and 503 bad gateway server temporarily unavailable. It is a simple error and I give the multiple solution to fix this simple error. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. Our first solution, first we go to our ChatGPT, go to your ChatGPT. In my case, I already solved that, but in your case, it show a error. Then go to the ChatGPT. Here we find ChatGPT site and click at here. Here we find at the address bar, at this address, we find this kind of the box, view site information. Click on this view site information. Here we find many options. Here we find chatgpt.com. Scroll down. Here we find site settings. Click on the site settings. In a site settings, here we find use and here we find delete data. Click on this delete data. Here we find cookies. Click on this delete data. Click on the delete. Okay. Now it's delete data. After that, once again, go to the ChatGPT and this time click at here. Here we find the site information. Click on the site information once again. And this time click on cookies and site data. Click on the cookies and site data. Here we find manage on device site data. Click on that. And here we find chatgpt.com. And here we find the delete options. Here we find delete option. Click on that delete option. And click on the done. And reload your ChatGPT. And it's also solved your problem. This is our first step. After that, we are going to our second step. For second step, go to the start. And here type cmd. Here we find command prompt. On a command prompt, right click on the command prompt and click on run as an administrator. Run as an administrator is very IMP. Click on that. Click on the yes. Here we find our cmd is open. Here add one by one command. First command is very simple. Add this command. I add this command ipconfig then space /flushdns. Type this as it is and hit enter key. Second is the type second command netsh then winsock winsock space reset. Type as it is. I give these two commands in the YouTube description also. You can copy and paste that command also at this point and hit enter key, and it's successful on our PC. Then close it, exit it. And after that, restart your machine. After restart, go to the web browser and go to the ChatGPT and check ChatGPT is working or not. If it's not working, that means server is down for the maintenance. And check after the 1 or 2 hours and ChatGPT is 110% work on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.